Today is Saturday, June 29th. Suba-Daime Station.
はい、6月29日の土曜日です。今日は、総武台前駅に来てます。これからザマキャンプへ向けて歩いていきたいかなと思います。
Camp Zama, which we will be going to today, is located in Zama City, Kanagawa Prefecture. This will be the 4th U.S. military base I will visit this year. Yokota Air Base. U.S. Fleet Activities Yokosuka. Naval Air Facility Atsugi. By the way, Camp Zama and Atsugi Base are 7 kilometers apart.
はい、こんな感じでね、米軍基地結構行ってたりするんで、興味のある方はね、ぜひチャンネル登録の方よろしくお願いいたします。
It's now 30 minutes before the gates open. I had my ID checked 10 minutes after the gates open. Baggage inspection and metal detector check. The weather forecast was for rain until a few days ago, so I'm glad it was sunny. I thought about getting something to eat at the food court, but there was a huge line, so I gave up. I heard something. USARJ band. Draft beer. Kids area. I thought it was raining, but it turned out to be mist. Very cute. I'm interested, so let's buy it. Budweiser seems to be the only canned beer. Everyone is in a good mood. Fried chicken and chicken nuggets.
You ready?
Grampus cheer team performance. Will you dance with everyone? Oh, everyone can dance to this. There are not many people lining up to use the toilet. There are always long lines at pizza shops. I bought Sasebo burger for the first time. Let's take a little nap. When I was about to go to sleep, I heard Michael's song. Michael Jackson Tribute Band. Oh, this Jackson 5 medley is the best. Heal the World is also my favorite song. USARJ Band. I was surprised to be able to listen to Seiko Matsuda's songs. The next song was Disney.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, konbawa, and welcome to tonight's ceremony. At this time, direct your attention toward the stage for the Salute to the Nation ceremony portion of our evening.
皆様こんばんは。これより国家強継式典を行います。本日の式典では、全米50州および領土に敬意を表し、アメリカ合衆国の建国を祝います。
Alaska, the frontier, Hawaii, the Aloha State, and now the 6 territories of the United States of America, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, American Samoa, the Virgin Islands, and the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the playing of the Japan and United States of America national anthems.
皆様ご起立ください。日米国歌の斉唱を行います。
At the end is a fireworks display. The live performance was great and it was a very fun event. Thank you for watching until the end.